Welcome to English Quizler. Think your English grammar is perfect? Let's find out. This quiz will test your tenses, prepositions, idioms, and those sneaky grammar traps everyone gets wrong. Let's see if you can pass this grammar challenge like a true English master. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel.
Neither of the answers is correct. I wish I had more time to finish this. She arrived at the airport just in time. The movie was so boring that I couldn't stand watching it. He has been working here since 2010. If I were you, I would apologize immediately. She's looking forward to starting her new job. By the time we arrived, the meeting had ended. There isn't any salt left in the jar. Each of the players was given a medal. I can't put up with his rude behavior anymore. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. We'll go out if it stops raining. She speaks English better than her brother. They were tired of walking all day. He prefers coffee to tea. The project must be finished by Friday. The teacher asked us to focus on our goals. The cake smells delicious. The more you practice, the better you become. He's been absent for 2 days now. I haven't seen her since last summer. It's high time we went home. Can you tell me where she is from? I couldn't agree with you more. The car, along with its passengers, was damaged. Neither the manager nor the employees are happy. We ran out of milk, so I went to the store. He congratulated me on my success. There are fewer students this year than last year. Let's meet at noon tomorrow. He hasn't done his homework, has he? It depends on what you mean. She made me do it all over again. I'd rather you didn't tell anyone about this. The book was written by an unknown author. I couldn't find my phone, so I used hers. This is the best meal I've ever had. The police are investigating the case. Hardly had I arrived when it started raining.
Great job. Comment your total score below and tell us if you're a beginner, intermediate, or vocabulary master. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.